Hey everyone, my name is Quincy Davis and welcome back to another Jazz Drummer Q-Tip of the week, where I break down and demonstrate various jazz techniques, approaches, and concepts that can be applied to pretty much any genre and style that you're most interested in. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing, because I'll definitely be coming out with more video lessons that I know will be helpful to your overall development on this instrument. And if you get value out of this lesson, please let me know and press the like button and leave comments. I love hearing from you, and I do try to get back to as many people that leave comments as possible. So leave me some feedback and leave a comment. And now for the lesson. All right, so today's topic, it's a hot one, right? Everyone wants faster hands. So I thought I'd make a video on how to develop faster hands.
Hey man, this video is actually about how
What?
to develop better hands, not faster hands.
Oh, actually, I lied. I messed it up. It's actually how to develop better hands. Better hands. Yeah, it's better hands. Hopefully that doesn't turn you away. I know a lot of you want faster hands. Okay, so the truth is that, listen, there's too many drummers who think that they have to have fast hands in order to be considered a good drummer and a good musician. And that is so not true. And one of those drummers was me when I was younger. I just thought, man, my hands are so slow compared to these drummers, and I'm just never going to be good enough. And the truth is that, yes, we want fast hands, but that's not really the most important thing. And in fact, to prove my point, I thought we'd play a little game of Would You Rather. Okay, would you rather have faster hands or better control? Would you rather have faster hands or better sound? Would you rather have faster hands or better musicianship? Would you, now this, if this is a tough answer for you, then maybe this is not the right instrument for you. Would you rather have faster hands or a deeper pocket? That's a no-brainer, right? Have I proved my point that fast hands and speed are overrated? Overrated. They're overrated because all of these other things, technique, dexterity, a good sound, good control, and groove, these are so much more important than speed. Now, let's be clear. I'm not saying we shouldn't be trying to develop faster hands and go for speed. We all want fast hands, including me. I think I have the slowest hands of any drummer probably watching this. I'll be honest with you. But what makes what I play sound somewhat like I have pretty fast hands is that I have good hands. I don't have fast hands. I have good hands. I've worked on developing my hands. And so these are reasons why we want to work on speed. These are healthy, positive reasons why we want to work on speed. Working on speed gives us a goal. So if we're able to play at this tempo, well, hey, let's nudge it up to this tempo. And if we can play this tempo, hey, let's nudge it up. I'm not saying we don't want to keep doing that. So it gives us goals, clear goals when we practice. Another reason, and it kind of goes hand in hand with what I was just saying, is that it pushes our technique to its optimal playing level, right? We always want to be pushing our technique. And again, if we can play it at this tempo, then we want to see if we can play it at that next tempo. And why not just push it to its limit? Always push your technique to its limit. Always. Another reason to want to develop faster hands is because if we're hearing something, we want to just be able to play it, right? Sometimes if we're hearing something and we think we're hearing something that's too fast for us to execute, then we won't play it. So that's a really good reason to work on your speed and developing faster hands. And then the last reason is sometimes you actually do really need speed and fast hands to make a gig, right? Some music requires it, some arrangements, some grooves. they require some, I will call them chops, right? Faster chops. So that's a really urgent reason to really get your speed together. All right, so that is the lesson, and hopefully this was helpful in making you realize that speed, yeah, it's something that we should be working towards and always trying to push ourselves for, but it's not the most important thing. The most important thing is your musicianship, is your control, is your sound, is your groove, right? All these things, is your personality. How do you make these drums speak? It's not with speed. I promise you that. Now, I'm not trying to say anything negative about speed. You know, when I see people like Tony Williams and Cindy Blackman and Aaron Spears and Chris Coleman and Dennis Chambers, I'm jealous. I mean, I wish I had hands that fast. And because I don't, I have to really pay attention to the small details to get the most bang out of my buck, so to speak. No pun intended. Hopefully this was helpful. Again, leave comments, subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Make sure you press the like button, and practice hard and practice smart, okay, to get the most out of your practice. And I will see you on the next Q-Tip video lesson of the week. Take care. Bye-bye.